الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله 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 الله أكبر الله أكبر لله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
The Prophet ﷺ commanded us to say this in these 10 days of Hajj, but now it's a forgotten sunnah. This is why the Sahaba used to go out into the streets and say it loud to remind the people. So next time you're around a bunch of Muslims, say it loud to remind them as well.